Hey guys, welcome back. So I got this question here. Hello, thank you so much for your videos. Can I know please what is your testing strategy for new CB offer? How many ad sets do you start with? And for each ad set, how many ads you test? So I start normally with 6 ad set with 1 ad per ad set. All right? So as you can see here now, this is my second $1,000 per week. So for that question, if you will launch your first campaign testing the product from Clickbank, then I would suggest that you should launch at least 6 ad sets altogether with 1 ad per ad set. And I would suggest that you launch it with small budget. So like for me, in my case, this is 6 ad set. Like for me, this is my daily budget. So this is 936 Philippine peso. This is per day. So the currency exchange here for peso to US dollar is $16 per ad set. And your cost per click normally your target should be lower than $1. But now, recently, my cost per click is higher than $1. So sometimes it's $2 something. So let's look at here. So for example, this ad to it's 102.80. So this is $1.78. So what I will do here, I will kill those ad set that doesn't give me a sale and then relaunch it back again. Okay, and then check your cost per click here if it is lower than $1. Now my CTR and CTR all link here are all abnormal. Normally my CTR target here is 7%, as well as here in CTR all at least 7% to 15% or higher. But since I am getting a sale here, so look at this, I don't look at my CTR and CTR all here. It depends on my result. Okay, so for example, this one, I have this ad set, I got 3 sales, 3 purchases. I will let it run even though my cost per click, this is 161.66. This is over $1. So I will just let it run. If this is your first campaign, I would recommend that you do a lookalike audience. So I will show you how you can create a lookalike audience. Lookalike audience is you can ask this from the vendor. So you just email your vendor and ask for a lookalike audience. These are the hash list of those people who already purchased the product. So meaning when you use that lookalike audience, Facebook algorithm will try to find those people who are most likely will buy the product. So these are the lowest hanging fruit. So let me show you how you can set up your lookalike audience based on the hash list from your vendor. So in my example here, I am doing Mytolin right now. So I'll just create a lookalike audience to test my creative. So here you will see here create audience. Just click this drop down and click lookalike. So first, make sure to upload first the hash list from your vendor in your audiences before you can follow this step by step. So for me, I already uploaded my lookalike. So this is the custom audience from Mytolin. Okay, so just choose your lookalike source and select your audience location. So in my case, I want to use United States and select audience size. So I'll just create one audience size here of 1 to 5. So here I will just go and drag this one to 5%, and here I will drag it to 1%. So this is 1 to 5, 11.1 million. Okay, so you will see here the new alike audience of 1 to 5 is 11.1 million people, and then just click create audience. So you will see here if the availability is ready. All right, and also make sure that you have your tracking software set up. So in my case, I am using ClickMagick. So you can get your free 14-day with ClickMagick. I will put the link below this video because sometimes Facebook put the sale in a wrong ad set and you don't know when to replicate the ad set that made you a sale. So tracking software is very important. So this is how you can duplicate or replicate the ad set that you have created in your Facebook ad account, because Facebook is not good in tracking the sales. Sometimes it fires to the wrong ad set. And if that happen, you will replicate the wrong ad set or duplicate that wrong ad set. And if you want to learn more, I have this Clickbank affiliate success guide in Udemy. So you can just go and have a sneak peek of this course here. And if you think this is for you, just apply this coupon to get a big discount from me. I hope this helps, and I'm looking forward to seeing you inside.